Woodworking has long been celebrated as a craft that intertwines creativity, functionality, and artistry. When it comes to creating cozy and stylish outdoor modern wooden chairs, the inspiration can come from various sources, each adding depth and character to the process. The blend of natural materials, innovative design, and the desire to enhance outdoor living spaces can lead to the creation of truly exceptional pieces that not only serve a practical purpose, but also elevate the aesthetic of any environment. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you the collection of modern cozy and stylish wooden outdoors chairs design ideas. So watch the video until the end to see what we gathered for you and get inspired. At the core of woodworking lies the material itself, wood. Each type of wood offers unique characteristics, from the rich hues of mahogany to the lightness of cedar. The choice of wood can significantly influence the overall feel of an outdoor chair. For instance, hardwoods like teak are known for their durability and weather resistance, making them ideal for outdoor furniture. The natural grains and textures of wood invite artisans to explore and experiment, allowing them to create chairs that are not only functional, but also visually stunning. The warmth of wood brings a sense of nature into outdoor spaces, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and connection with the environment. The design of modern wooden chairs often draws inspiration from contemporary aesthetics, which emphasize clean lines and minimalism. This approach allows woodworkers to create pieces that seamlessly integrate into various outdoor settings, whether it's a minimalist patio, a lush garden, or a cozy balcony. The challenge lies in balancing simplicity with comfort. A well-designed chair needs to invite people to sit and enjoy their surroundings, and this requires an understanding of ergonomics. The curve of a seat, the angle of the backrest, and the height of the armrests all play a crucial role in creating a comfortable experience. As woodworkers experiment with these elements, they often find inspiration in the world around them, observing how people interact with furniture and nature. Moreover, the concept of coziness extends beyond mere comfort. It encompasses the overall experience of being outdoors. A well-crafted wooden chair can become a focal point in a garden or patio, creating an inviting space for gathering, relaxation, and contemplation. The inspiration to design such pieces often comes from personal experiences, moments spent outdoors with family and friends, enjoying the warmth of the sun or the gentle rustle of leaves. These memories can serve as a guiding force, encouraging woodworkers to create chairs that evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. Sustainability is another critical influence in modern woodworking, particularly in creating outdoor furniture. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many artisans are motivated to use responsibly sourced materials or reclaimed wood in their projects. This commitment to sustainability adds an extra layer of meaning to the work, as each chair becomes a testament to a conscious effort to respect the planet. The beauty of reclaimed wood, with its history and character, can inspire unique designs that tell a story. Each scratch, knot, or imperfection becomes a part of the chair's narrative, inviting users to appreciate not just the craftsmanship, but also the journey of the materials. In the realm of modern design, there is a strong emphasis on versatility. Outdoor spaces are increasingly seen as extensions of our homes, prompting a desire for furniture that is not only stylish, but also adaptable. Chairs that can be easily moved, rearranged, or even folded can inspire creative solutions for maximizing comfort and utility in outdoor environments. This adaptability can influence the design process as woodworkers think about how their creations can serve multiple purposes, from casual lounging to hosting gatherings. The interplay between indoor and outdoor living has sparked a trend toward creating pieces that blur the lines between the two. Many modern wooden chairs incorporate elements typically found in indoor furniture, such as cushions, upholstery, or integrated storage. This fusion of styles can lead to innovative designs that enhance the comfort and aesthetic of outdoor spaces. The inspiration to create such hybrid pieces often comes from a desire to bring the comforts of indoor living outside, allowing people to enjoy the beauty of nature without sacrificing style or comfort. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating a cozy outdoor environment also involves considering the surrounding elements, plants, lighting, and other decor. Woodworkers often find inspiration in the interplay between their chairs and the natural landscape. For instance, a chair positioned under a tree can offer a perfect spot for reading or reflecting. The colors and textures of the surrounding flora can influence the choice of wood and finish, as artisans strive to create harmony between their creations and the outdoor setting. This relationship fosters a deeper appreciation for nature, encouraging woodworkers to design pieces that complement and enhance the beauty of their surroundings. The tactile experience of woodworking cannot be overlooked as a source of inspiration. The process of shaping wood, sanding surfaces to a smooth finish, and applying stains or protective coatings transforms raw materials into beautiful furniture. The hands-on nature of this craft allows artisans to connect with their creations on a personal level. Each stroke of the tool, each adjustment made during the construction process, adds to the overall character of the chair. This intimate relationship with the material often inspires woodworkers to put their heart and soul into their projects, resulting in pieces that resonate with warmth and authenticity. In addition to personal fulfillment, the desire to share one's work with others can be a powerful motivator. Many woodworkers find joy in creating pieces that bring people together, chairs that invite friends and family to gather and share moments. The act of crafting furniture that enhances social interactions can be incredibly rewarding, as it contributes to the creation of cherished memories. This communal aspect of outdoor living inspires artisans to think about how their chairs can foster connection and create a welcoming atmosphere. As woodworkers continue to refine their skills, they often seek inspiration from the broader design community. This can include exploring trends in architecture, interior design, and landscaping. The principles of modern design, simplicity, functionality, and sustainability can influence the way chairs are conceived and constructed. Observing how other designers incorporate wood into their work can spark new ideas and encourage experimentation. Collaborations with other artists, such as textile designers or metalworkers, can also lead to innovative outcomes, blending different materials and techniques to create truly unique outdoor chairs. The process of designing and crafting outdoor wooden chairs is also a journey of self-discovery. As artisans engage with their materials and explore various techniques, they often uncover their own design philosophies and aesthetic preferences. This introspective aspect of woodworking can inspire individuals to push the boundaries of their creativity, experimenting with shapes, colors, and finishes that reflect their personal style. The resulting chairs not only serve a functional purpose, but also become expressions of the woodworker's identity and artistic vision. In the journey of creating cozy and stylish outdoor modern wooden chairs is rich with inspiration drawn from nature, personal experiences, sustainability, and the desire to foster connection. The interplay of materials, design principles, and the emotional resonance of handcrafted pieces all contribute to a craft that is both fulfilling and impactful. Each chair represents a unique blend of artistry and functionality, inviting individuals to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while providing a comfortable space for relaxation and social interaction. Through woodworking, artisans have the opportunity to translate their inspirations into tangible creations that enhance the outdoor experience, creating inviting spaces that bring people together and celebrate the beauty of nature. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden outdoor chair design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.